You guys, we are here. Amanda started pouring like Amanda is vomiting. I don't know her problem. We don't rush her to clean her. Sorry, okay? I don't know her problem. She only drink even her milk. She did not take her milk. This one is her milk. She haven't eaten anything, but I don't know why she decided to be pouring. What happened? Sorry, okay? I decided to order I tell them to bring fried rice for her. I don't think she's going to be eating this. Mama, Mona think this is egg. Oh. Mona think this is egg. Because that one na egg like 5 and 6. Okay, put am there and they eat. Make I dey chop this one. They say this is dosa, guys. Amanda, I like dosa. Yeah, eat. Mona, let me help you.
Take this one.
Take now, take. Same.
Take this one.
Let them eat when they're eating now. Say they're eating from here. So this one is the soup. Let's test with this one. Okay. Let's test with the second soup. Okay. The third soup. Okay. So guys, the kids are enjoying it. My kids are eating the dosa. They are using two hands to drag it. You can see Munachi. Munachi dragging it with two hands. Anyway, see you guys. So see you guys later. Make I dey mind my cup is also. See you guys, City. You guys, at this point, my family are done having their breakfast. Yeah, they love their food. You love your food? So for me, guys, I did not eat that much. Oh. I'm trying to learn Indian food, but it's not that easy for me at this point. So small, yeah. But then you are going out to have food. Maybe I will eat later when we go out. Thank you guys for watching. Let's go up and do one or two. See you guys later. Mona, Mona, yeah. Hi, good morning. Hey, you enjoy yourself. Sorry. Yeah. Mona, Mona have eaten dosa. Mama was vomiting. She later eat a dosa. This is our space for here. Our space. Our space. Our space. Our space. I will go one. No, so here is our space. Our space. Our space. Anyway, see you guys.